I disappeared for 2 years, and no one really knew why. But in those 2 years, I became someone I didn't even recognize. I got to the point where I didn't recognize myself anymore. I was showing up for everyone else, but I wasn't showing up for me. I didn't disappear because I wanted to. I disappeared because I needed to. There was so much going on inside of me, and I didn't even have the words for it yet. I was carrying things that I never dealt with, and eventually they started showing up in every area of my life. I was overwhelmed mentally, emotionally, spiritually, and I kept pushing through like everything was okay, but it wasn't. I was tired, not just physically, but emotionally tired. I started showing up for myself one day at a time. Not perfectly, but I showed up for myself consistently. So I stopped and I started doing small things. Things that didn't look big from the outside, but changed everything for me. I started creating space for my thoughts, for my healing, space for me. I became the woman I needed, the woman that protected her peace, the woman that started choosing herself without guilt. And somewhere along the way, I changed. Not overnight, but little by little. I stopped shrinking, I stopped explaining myself, and I stopped settling. This is what peace feels like, and I wouldn't trade it for anything. My life looks different now. Quieter, simpler, but better. Not because everything is perfect, but because I'm finally aligned. You're not lost, love. You're becoming her. If you're feeling like you're disappearing right now, maybe it's not the end. Maybe it's the beginning.